Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to install applications from unknown sources in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So firstly you have to open your settings, and then friends you have to click on this search, and then friends you have to write here unknown sources. Friends, you have to type here this install unknown applications. From here click on install unknown application. From here allow the application like it is a Google Chrome, Firefox or any browser, and then you can install any APK file application or any other application from external websites in your Redmi smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.